Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Camera bags in 2026? Yeah, they're not just big, bulky sacks anymore. Some of these things are super smart, shockingly comfortable, but somehow still tough enough to haul around all your expensive gear. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best camera bags of 2026, what they're good at, who they're for, and which ones actually make sense to buy right now. For more details on any of these picks, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Lowepro ProTactic BP 450. And honestly, this thing means business. It doesn't really try to be subtle. Instead, it's designed for serious pros who need quick access and top-tier protection. The vibe is rugged, professional. It's got this frost silver finish that, alright, maybe isn't subtle, but it still blends pretty well. Inside, it packs a max fit divider system, letting you customize everything to protect your camera bodies, lenses, whatever. Users say it's incredibly well built and sturdy, able to fit 2 bodies with multiple lenses. You're getting 4 access points here too. Dual side doors for quick grabs, a top spot for those longer lenses, and a full back entry if you need to set up a whole rig. That's pretty slick. Now, comfort's a big deal with heavy gear, and the Active Zone harness and padded straps really help for all-day wear. Plus, it's using 86% recycled fabric, which is a nice touch. It's a bit on the heavier side. Some even call it a beast, but that's for its sheer protective qualities. You can usually find the BP 450 AW2 version at around $220.
Now, if you want something that feels a bit more modular, let's talk about the PGYTECH OneMo 2. This bag is a serious contender, especially for drone pilots and photographers with a lot of kit. It's got a massive 45-liter capacity overall. That's huge. The design is smart, really. With a modular main compartment, you can even get V-shape and H-shape expansions, or just use a child camera bag inside. That's a lot of flexibility for different shoots, you know? It's constructed from high-performance PU anti-splash material, so it's waterproof and scratch-resistant, which is always good for outdoor shooting. You also get clamshell, top, and side access, so getting your gear out is super fast. Customers rave about how spacious it is, with some fitting 2 cameras and long telephoto lenses. The zippers, apparently they're phenomenal, but some folks have actually reported them breaking. So maybe a slight concern there. The ergonomic back panel and padded straps keep it comfy even when fully loaded. Plus, users appreciate the premium quality and that it stands up on its own. It usually goes for around $200.
All right, switching gears a bit, we have the K&F Concept Camera Bag. This one is all about flexibility and not looking too much like a camera bag. The magic chamber design is cool, letting the bag expand or compress, which is pretty handy. And you can reconfigure the interior from a 50-50 split to a 20-80, so it really adjusts to what you're carrying. That's really smart. It even packs hidden support fibers to stop external compression, a nice little layer of protection, right? Customers praise its high quality and say it's the perfect size for international air travel. Plus, it just looks like a casual backpack. It's got quick access top and side openings, meaning you can grab your camera without dumping everything out. And there's an expandable front pouch, giving you another 2-3 liters for batteries or filters. The overall build is solid, and it's comfortable to wear. For around $99, this is a seriously good pick if you need that adaptability and a less techy look.
Moving on, let's talk about the ULANZI Professional Anti-Theft Bag. This bag is designed to keep your gear safe, which is a huge deal. It's got an extra large capacity, so it takes multiple cameras, including long lens setups, plus all your accessories. That's a lot of room. The interior is modular too, letting you remove thick dividers to customize it. It gives you dedicated compartments for laptops up to 15.6 inches, plus a bunch of mesh pockets for smaller stuff. You also get a bottom tripod strap, keeping your tripod secure and not messing up the bag's balance. Now, it's built with water-resistant and rain-proof materials, which is always reassuring. Comfort-wise, it packs ventilated back panels and adjustable padded shoulder straps. Users find it to be good quality with plenty of room, and they really appreciate the water resistance. Interestingly, while some say the 22L size is great, others feel it's smaller than they expected. You can usually grab this one for about $80.
Finally, we're looking at the MOSISO Mocamhsbg Bag. This bag is a blend of durability, organization, and versatility. It measures in at 17.32 by 11.8 by 7.5 inches, packing 2 main compartments. One is a padded, removable modular insert for cameras, lenses, flashes, or even drones. Super customizable, obviously. The second compartment is for laptops up to 16 inches, so it fits a decent-sized machine, which is always nice. It's got a full open design, making everything easy to get to, plus 2 accessory pockets for cables and cards. You can strap a tripod to one side or use the other side pocket for a water bottle. And yeah, there's an anti-theft pocket at the back for your valuables, always a bonus. The outside is reinforced with waterproof PU leather and foam padding, so it's pretty tough against bumps. Customers say it's well built and super spacious with lots of handy pockets. It's also extremely well padded. But durability is a mixed bag here. Some say it holds up great, but a few users reported straps breaking after just 2 months of light use. You'll typically find this bag for around $70. So there you have it, some of the best camera bags we've seen this year. Each one's got its own thing, whether it's pure ruggedness or crazy modularity. If this helped you figure out your next gear haul, hit that like button. Links to all these are in the description below. Catch you in the next one.